Hello guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. This is a new edition, New Year Revolution, and we are going to, continue to hit you great content that provide you from buying a wrong cars that will make you worthless and also give you the real raw automotive content in the field of auto. This is what we are planning to do this year. So if you are here and you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and make sure click the notification bell so that you get notified when we upload new video on this platform. Make sure to also share the video, like and put your comment below in the comment section. Liking my video help me to get recommended from YouTube and other people also get benefited from it. Thank you, and let's get into the video. Today's video is simple, and we are going to tell you 5 cars that you need to avoid buying them, which will make you worthless and it also ruin your money. Don't buy these cars as a beginner. Again, I repeat it, don't buy these cars as a beginner, as a fresh, a young guy, a young entrepreneur starting life, you want to make it. Avoid buying these cars, it will make you worthless. So put it in mind, then let's go. Okay, number one is I have them here because I have to give you the details about it. Number one, high performance sports cars. Avoid buying high performance sports cars. It is not good as a beginner to buy high performance sports cars. For example, Lamborghini, Huracan, Chevrolet, what? Corvette, Porsche 911. Why to avoid these sports cars? Sports cars are powerful and fast, making them harder to control than what? Inexperienced drivers. Their maintenance costs and insurance premiums are also very high. So wherever you are watching me from, avoid buying these sports cars that we mentioned. Moving forward, number two, luxurious cars. Example, Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, or the A8. Why to avoid them? Luxury cars come with expensive repairs. High insurance cost is number one thing, and features that may not be necessary for what? Beginner. So you don't need to buy these cars. Don't compete life. Life is not predictable. Don't compete life. Don't compete with any friend. Somebody you know, somebody has purchased a BMW. So you too want to purchase or the A7. That is not real life. So sit down, make your plan well, then you have to purchase a car that will earn money, give you a passive income, give you business earning. That is it. Number three is what? Large SUV or trucks. For example, Ford F what? 250. Chevrolet what? Suburban. Toyota Land Cruiser. Why to avoid them? These vehicles can what? Be harder to what? Maneuver, especially in the what? In the tight space of during what? Parking. They also tend to have what? Higher fuel consumption. So these are the more important things you have to know to avoid these cars. Life is not a competition. You have to be in your race, make it roll, and then put people's wrong. That will, take you to the highest level you want to reach in life. To purchase a car is not a competition, so don't tend to, compete with anybody. That is one idea, and that is the priority that I'll give you this what New Year revolution. Moving forward, we have older or what unreliable cars. For example, cars with known reliability issues. Example, early 2000 Jaguar models or what older Fiat models. Avoid these cars. It's not good and they are not worth it. Why to avoid them? Older cars might require frequent repairs, which can what be costly and what inconvenient for a new driver. It is what it is. The truth is truth. So why always we are hitting this thing to engage people to to alert people and also to educate them to know these things, because I know a lot of guys, young guys being started life, they've been purchased high luxury cars and that will bring them they go back to zero, which is not good. If this video is very helpful for you, subscribe, like, share, and put your comment below in the comment section. This is Eric Auto Center, and this video is courtesy by what GY Trading. GY Trading is an award automotive services that sells cars and spares. So any car that you want to purchase from this 2025, contact us. We will, direct you and give you more information about GY Trading, how to purchase a car and get huge discount from GY Trading. This is what we are going to do, and a lot of people are buying cars from them. Our second consignment has landed, and we have a lot of goods, a lot of cars in it. So link me your comment, DM me, so that we can able to, take your, answers at the right point and give you positive feedback. So number 5 is exotic or rare cars. Exotic or rare cars. Example: Lotus Elix, Aston Martin Vantage, Alfa Romeo 4C. Why to avoid them? These cars are not, that regular in Ghana, but I don't know some of the African countries. But wherever you are watching me from, whether you are in Asia, Europe, America, Oceania, Africa, these cars are not good for beginners. If you are a beginner or average, it's not good for you. It's for what? Rich men, billionaires. That is what. It is what it is. Truth is truth. Moving forward, why to avoid them? Parts for these cars are expensive and hard to find, and they often have what unique handle characteristics that require advanced driving skills. You hear it. What to choose instead? Look for reliable, affordable, and fuel-efficient models like Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, all models, or Mazda 3. These cars are what? Beginner-friendly, economical, and easy to maintain it. It is very simple as this. That's why I always recommend Toyota cars, Honda cars, and then Mazda cars. For Ghana here, I don't really recommend more Mazda cars, but some of Nissan cars are also in the system, which are really worth for money. And if you want to know all these cars, we are here to assist you. Why can't we assist you? Anytime, any day, any hour you call me or you WhatsApp me, I will assist you. I'll get time for you to educate you. I'll get time for you to give you insight more about cars, and whatever is your problem, we are here to help you solve it. This is what we are doing, and this is our priority. So we have no option to assist somebody and leave somebody. Everybody, the only thing we need from you is your competence. If you are competent enough, we will assist you and give you the feedback. That is what. And this is Eric Auto Center. Once again, if you want to purchase a car, if you want to buy a car and it has become a burden to you, GY Trading is here to have you covered. All cars. GY Trading also provide spare parts, from all African countries, wherever you are. Every car that you want to buy, they will give it to you and give you a huge discount. If you want, Toyota Sienna, if you want Toyota Vage from 2014 to 2015, Toyota Yaris, whether you have van, if you want to purchase van or truck, anything that you want, you are trading is here to, assist you and get it for you. This is what GY Trading is all about. So thanks for watching this video. I need your like, I need your comment in this video, so that we can all move together and grow as a community. For those who doesn't share my video, who doesn't like my video, you are not doing well at all. I thank those who are sharing my video, liking my video. I get all insights and analytics every week. May God bless you. May God bless your business, your family, your finances, and your dream for this year may come true. I thank you. So if you are watching me, you too, you have to be part of it. Those who share my video to a lot of platforms, I salute you all. May God bless you, and I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Eric Auto Center, Ghana's #1 automotive channel that will guarantee allowing you an annual motor vehicle and automotive experience. Bye bye.